Oops, we're live. Marcus Body Coding Live, yeah. Footwork every day. Chit-chat. Remember, you see, we do. No excuses. Are you ready? Today, flare 4. Let's go. See for yourself first. Once again. This is the move. This is the groove. Are you ready to do it together? Let's switch the cameras and do it on the grass. Let's go. Let's do it on the grass. Let's go. We can do it with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's go with the left. We tap, we cross, and we tap with the right. Yeah. Now, 2 flares. We go. Step with the right. Tap with the left. Step with the left. Tap with the right. Yeah. Now with the right. Tap. Cross. Tap. Yeah. Step with the left. Tap with the right. Step with the right. Tap with the left. Now a bit faster. Let's go. Tap. Cross. Tap. And tap. And tap. Yeah. It's a bit faster. Now with the right. Tap, cross, tap, and tap, and tap. Yeah. Now with the count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 5, and 7. With the right. Tap and 1, 2, 3, and 5, and 7. Yeah. Last time. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Now keep the knee bent, not straight, bent. Yeah. And 5 and 7. Tap, cross, tap, and 5 and 7. Yeah, this is the move. Yes, this is the move. This is the groove. But you're still here? If you're still here, let me check. Yes, you're still here. Let's do another practice right now, face to face. I want to see you. Yeah. You're beautiful. You're pretty. I know. I want to see you. But more than that, I want to see you practicing with me. Let's go face to face. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Let's go. With the left. Tap. Cross. Tap. And 5 and 7. Now with the right. Tap, cross, tap, and 5 and 7. Make sure to stay with the same level when we do the flares. See. Breathe a little bit down, knees bent. Pa, pa. Same level. Another. Oh, same level. Yeah, down. Pa, pa. Yeah. Once again now with the count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 5, and 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, and 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 5, and 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, and 7. Yeah. Now, let's give it a twist. We can do cross to the back. You can play with it. See it for yourself. We can tap, cross to the back. Tap, and 5, and 7. Yeah? We can tap, cross to the back, and tap, and 5, and 7. Use the cross to the front to move forward, cross to the back to move backwards. See from the side. 1, 2, 3. Looking forward, and 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5 and 7. Now backwards. Tap, cross, tap, yeah, and 5 and 7. Tap, cross, tap, and 5 and 7. Yes, this is the move. This is the deep. Yes, and I remind you, we have audience here. Yeah, he was also wanting to learn. So I just remind you, these are universal moves. Yeah, so you can do them in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, hip hop, bachata, kizomba, rumba, whatever style you want. And if you're a serious student, if you are the serious student, you can meet me in the studio for the full tutorial. How can you do that? Check the link above, below, to the side, or wherever it might be. Or if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel and search for this move, flare number 4, right? 4, right? Yeah, flare number 4, this is the name of the move. Meet me in the studio and let's practice like professionals. Yeah, make sure to do it today. Why today? Why today? Because tomorrow there's new footwork every day. Focus body coding live. So practice today with me in the studio or in this video or however you want. And let's meet tomorrow with a new footwork. See you tomorrow.